The first step to any successful installation is preparation. To be sure you understand the scope of this project, Moen recommends watching the entire guided installation before you begin. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the Moen Smart Sprinkler Controller with the outdoor enclosure. Before getting started, check to make sure all the parts are included in the box. If any parts are missing, please contact Moen Consumer Service. Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, wire strippers, pliers, drill, a 1/8" drill bit, and electrical tape. Additionally, you will need to download the Moen Smart Water app on your iOS or Android device and create an account. Next, you'll need to check your existing system. Start by checking your Wi-Fi signal strength. Test your sprinklers to ensure they are working properly. Then unplug them from their power source. Make sure to photograph existing wiring to reference during installation. And place the matching wire labels on the existing controller wires before uninstalling. Lastly, unplug and remove the existing controller. Now you're ready to install your Smart Sprinkler Controller. Fit the enclosure over the existing conduit. Then hold the enclosure in place on the wall and mark the areas where the screws will go. Feed the zone wires through the housing and mount the enclosure by screwing it into place. Remove the cover from the hard wiring bay. Then pull the wires into the enclosure and secure the power fitting. Now connect the wires by lining them up and twisting them together. Connect the green wire to the green wire. This is the ground wire. It may also be bare copper. Be sure to connect white wire only to white wire. Each time you'll need to screw a connector cap over the heads. Lastly, connect the black or red wire to the black wire in your enclosure. To secure and protect each connection, wrap them with electrical tape. Once complete, arrange the wires neatly into the bay and secure the cover with the included screws. Plug in your controller's power adapter. Remove the magnetic faceplate from the controller and fit it into your enclosure. Then, use the enclosed screws to mount your controller within the enclosure. Plug in your controller's power adapter. Now you're ready to connect the wires. In order to insert the wires into the proper terminals, reference the photos you took in Step 2 of your existing wiring, as well as the wire labels and this abbreviation chart. Correctly insert all the wires. Now you're ready to turn the power back on and pair the controller with your smart device. After turning the power back on, open the Moen Smart Water app and go to the home page. Touch the plus sign at the top of the screen and follow the prompts to add the controller to your account. Once the controller is online, the light bar at the top of the controller will turn green. Now you can attach the magnetic faceplate to the controller. You're ready to complete the setup and customize your controls. Follow the prompts in the app to choose your zones and create your watering schedules. As you use your controller, it's a good idea to monitor your system from time to time. The light bar near the top will let you know if the controller is online, watering, in setup mode, or offline. If a reset is required, the button can be found directly below the bar and off to the right. Congratulations! Your installation is complete.